market is open. Finally, after 5 years, we can now shop at main market. I'm going there to buy a few things. I'm going to shop. I'm going to shop. I want to buy a shop.
After 5 years of staying at home on Mondays, na yuku wesiki abia zo afia na again na main market Onitsha tata. Achọrọ unene video uneneche unemegin na subscribe, share my comment. I love what he did. Lead by example and people will follow. Thank you.
Onitsha. Tata bụ Monday, February 2nd, 2026. Okay? I think I'm the mark of the man. Today bụ Monday. I think I'm getting out. Those of you put on Tata, again, when there's one Anambra. On Anopia, and to go when there's one Anambra. Mondays, I can make shops. And I'm a German market. I'm going to main market to shop na main market for the first time in 5 years on a Monday. The shops there are open. Main market is open. Main market is open. Main market is open. Finally, after 5 years, we can now shop at main market. I'm going there to buy a few things. I'm going to shop. I'm going to shop. I want to buy a shop. Monday sit at home is over. Okay? I've come, this is part of us, okay? I'll cancel it, but can even match, you can even I'm gonna shop with that. I don't care, good enough. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, great. You're great. Thank you. How many the name? And you call him more. I'm not good. I'm more to Tata. When I was there, on that name, let's hear what I'm there for. Okay. Now if I get my wait here. Come. Wait, let him come. Onye na-ele ona aha ngwa buta nke bịa aha oge one 15 ngwa Onisha Bueno! Mono! Sueno! come to Onitsha on a Monday. The Monday sit at home is over. I have come to shop here. Okay? Abiamotu. And I have bought a few things. I'm going into main market now. The main market is now open for the first time after 5 years. I'm going there to buy a few things. I will go to the other just line. Now, I will come to your shed. You can shed the Yagamagan at your shed. I will come to your shed. Uno manabu monyo tu. Uno makanabu monyo tu. Oh, you to Naiba. Thank you very much. Thank you. Imejuleju. Hey, Mbaka Nabia, Agamabia, sir. Animabia. Thank you very much. Thank you. I love you all. I love you all.
Okay, Joe Bagaco on Abamoto.
Watch it. Come back, this man.
Excuse me. Which side are we going now? Is it inside main market?
You've come to market. You've come to main market. Oh my God, what a crowd. What a crowd. Care for yourselves. I have come on again there. Abiamezu main market. I have come to shop at main market. Today is the first Monday in 5 years that main market, the biggest market in West Africa, will be open. I want to thank all of you who have come, very patriotic, courageous traders, businessmen. There is security in Anambra. Everywhere is bustling. You have confirmed it. Up here, and main market is finally open. Main market is finally open. Are you listening to me? I get the main market in Mount. And it will be okay. Can you say Swafia? Can you say Maja? Can you say Swafia? Swafia. Why for Nana? Why for Nana? Tell I know. Where is your shop? I'm coming to your own. Johnson. Johnson. Oh, bright. Good side. line or Lagos line. Can I make off for Plaza? Okay, the new and member just a fact, I'm just can you go off for? Bob, I'm not there. Pot. You want a pot? You want me to buy pot? Aqua. Apple Mojo too. And I have come to shop, and I will shop plenty today. And thank you very much. Thank you. With our nation main market open, Anambra is finally open. With our nation main market open, Anambra is finally open. And Southeast is finally open. Thank you very much. I love you all. I love you. I love you all. I love you. I love you. I love you all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.